Hi, I'm Alex from Banana Moon Clothing, and today we're going to product review the Okavango Regen Zoodie by eco-friendly brand Ecologie. For those of you who didn't know, the Okavango hoodie is named after the Okavango Delta in Botswana. Now, some of the Ecologie items have got weird and wonderful names because they're named after natural beauty sites or World Heritage sites around the world. The fabric blend of this Zoodie is 70% regenerated cotton, 30% polyester. Regenerated cotton is where the factory takes the offcuts and the waste of the cotton from normal production, gathers it up, colour sorts it and puts it back to produce new garments. This saves sending to landfill, but it also saves by colour sorting, which means that we don't have to re-dye products using chemicals and water to create new colours. For a really premium, luxurious feel, this also has a brushed inner and a peached outer on the fabric. What that means is it's really soft to touch and soft to wear. This Zoodie is one of the heaviest items in the Ecologie range at 330 GSM, which gives a real heavyweight premium feel to it. This only comes in a small number of colours, but one of the unique features of this item is a contrast solid block of colour to the hem, to the zip, and also flashes on the draw cords too. The sizes range from extra small up to 2XL. Being a full zip hoodie, this item is a little bit more generous to wear than some of the other Ecologie items, and it also features good sleeve length and good body length. Aside from some of the bits of the contrast colour that we talked about, this item is just a really good premium hoodie, and there's a lot of thought gone into the design of this item. You can buy this product online at bananamoon.co.uk.